My name is Janet Pauls. I'm the CFO of Bergkamp. The Bergkamp produces road preservation equipment, big pavers, construction equipment that puts a surface down on the road. And we also produce patcher equipment, which puts a patch on a pothole in city streets or county roads. We also build our equipment custom. The company's been around since 1977. Bergkamp has equipment operating on 6 continents. So we've had about, I say 25 to 30% growth every year. The software that we had before just really wasn't going to be able to handle any kind of growth for us. When we were in the old system, we didn't have reliable data, so that we looked at as a real advantage with the integrated systems, to have our inventory connected to our production and to have our sales connected to everything in the organization was tremendous. Currently, we have CloudSuite Industrial, Factory Track, CPQ, EQ. We also use IDM. Infor's product provides us with an integrated system that supports our configured-to-order process. The previous methods of quoting that we've used have been all on Excel spreadsheets, all in tribal knowledge of individual salespeople. 2 salespeople didn't do it the same way. Everything was based on a sales pricing sheet that they had. Today, they don't have to rely on that pricing sheet. It tells them what our sale price is on that particular option or on the whole machine. It is right there at their fingertips. They can save a week's worth of time not having to research, not having to figure out individually what that price should be. They don't have to calculate it themselves. It pops out. Our ability to use the CPQ to process our configurable quotes quickly through the system does free up a lot of our engineering hours, and that provides them with more time to spend on those specialized, customized specials that a customer might want on their product. Our sales team can configure a product that is accurately priced based on accurate costing. Is exactly what we need. Process mining really attracts me because we have to get more efficient. The workforce is getting harder and harder to hire, so we need to make sure that all of the processes we have are efficient. We need to take out the tedium so that our people can focus on the things that they're really great at and be craftsmen.